So guys, we're going to be unboxing this. It's from BestSecret, and the cardboard is recyclable. To be a proper Swede, my husband says you have to have one of this. I'm about to go into school to get my BSc, DPA, BPO, OPA, CID. So that I'm going back to school. There's no age limit to school, guys. So he says to me that I do need a more mature, most Swedes have this backpack, guys. So it was between this color and other colors, but he thought this color would suit me better. So let us open it. I have seen quite a lot of this, and especially like when we go on holidays, I've seen a few people carry this bag, guys. And it says that this bag is like one of the bags that most Swedes carry. To me, it looks like a child's bag. It looks like a baby bag, but I can see it's got this thing here. This thing is kind of like an illuminator. So when it's dark, it illuminates, because I just saw it from the shadow. So, and I'm guessing it's waterproof because it's not leather. There's a history behind this backpack, guys. Let me not write it off yet. In 1978, we launched Kånken to prevent back problem among Swedish school children. Many of the early Kånkens are still used today. Oh, so there's a place here where you write your name and your contacts. I'm guessing it's in case if you lose the bag. I suffer from chronic backache, so I don't need anything that would like weigh me down. So what do I think? If it's made in Sweden, then it's probably a good one. It comes with a leaflet here. So your Kånken story begins now. Oh, I've seen people with few colors. Or I've seen people wearing the green one, and I've seen them with this mustard yellow and red. Actually, I've seen lots of red. In fact, I think I've seen all the colors. It comes with these cute leaflets, guys. And it actually says it in English, guys. Okay, let me read it. So, welcome to Kånken family. Since the first Kånken was launched in 1978, the family has grown and become a unique collection of individuals. The lineup you see below is just a hint of what you'll find when you explore the full range at Fjällräven.com. I think it's this one he got me. It looks like this, pink, like kind of like a bright pink, because I think he wanted to get me this one, but it was out of stock. He wanted to get me the green one as well. It was out of stock. So maybe if this actually works well for me, I will end up having the whole collection. So first impressions, I like it. I like the reflector here, because when it's dark, people can actually see you. So that makes sense. I like the name and contact stuff here. So that way, if it goes missing, yeah, you can find it. So I think you just wipe it clean, because I think it's waterproof as well. It's got pockets here for your drink. It's got pocket here for your drink. It's got a zip here, a pocket here as well, and then inside. This seat pad stored in the inside back pocket keeps content from pressing against the back, while also making sure a comfortable rest is never far away. So yeah, so it's got this pad in here, and then the inside of it, like so. So you know what? I'm going to get my laptop and see if my laptop fits in this bag, because that's the most important thing for when I go back to school, if my laptop fits in. Let's see. It's a tight one, guys. Ooh, no, doesn't fit. So this is a tablet. It will fit right in. Let's see if my drinks will fit in. Oh, okay. Your drink fits in there. Perhaps in 3 months' time, I'll leave another review and tell you guys if this was good for my back or not. But for now, my drinks is in, tablets is in, the handle is quite nice as well. So I just need to extend it. I don't know how to extend it. I was about to say oh my days, so you just take off the buttonhole here. So if you want it tighter like so, and then you just remove this, you pull the string. Okay, if it does work, I will be collecting more colors. So, and that's it. That's the highest I can get it to. Wow, this is actually nice. It feels very steady. So my first Swedish backpack. To me, it feels actually very comfortable. Oh my days. I don't like letting my husband know he's right. The problem I have with my other backpacks is when I'm like carrying it, I'm constantly like pulling it back. But this one is actually really nice, guys. Why is it the name? I can't pronounce it. Fjällräven Kånken. So my husband has corrected me. Okay, so he says it's called Fjällräven, and Raven is fox, and Fjäll is mountain. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I'll be the last in class. I pity the teacher that is going to teach me, guys. I think I can't hear.
Yes.
Sasha is going to school. Oh. Sasha is going to school. Oh.
Be more sympathetic towards the teachers.
But you know what? I'll shock the teachers when I start school. So I'm going to have 2 big ponytails. I'm going to get like big afros in it. And then I'm going to get a big hoop. And then I'll wear a short skirt. And then I'll wear long socks. And then I'll wear my backpack with my drink. And then I'll be like, excuse me now. This is my first day in school. With my big teeth. My teeth. By the time I smile, the teacher will be like, hell, what is this girl doing? I'll be like, and I came with my own food and my pocket money. I've got my pocket money. You know when you buy a bag or you buy stuff and this thing comes with it? These things are usually in the bag. Always leave it in there. Apparently it helps with like damp or something. So yeah, I just always leave mine in there just to help your bag stay fresh. And my husband says that if you lock this helps so that people don't nick your stuff. So you just lock the handles together. So when you have the backpack on, no one can gain access into your bag. So apparently this bag will outlive me, if my husband says that it's very durable. This seat pad can be removed. So if you're sitting somewhere and you need a seat pad, you just take this out and sit on it and you put it back in your backpack because it helps support your back. So whenever you want to sit on a bench, you can get your seat pad out and you use it and then put it back in here. So that's really good, guys. Genius. If you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber, it really does make a huge difference to the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.